Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public toilets in Japan. First, understand that you'll encounter two main types, Western style and traditional squat toilets. Many public facilities now feature modern Western style units, often with advanced bidet functions. However, you might still find squat toilets, especially in older establishments or some train stations. Always remember to remove your outdoor shoes before stepping into the toilet area, a common courtesy. When using a Western-style toilet, look for the control panel, usually on the right side. This panel offers various functions like rear wash, front wash, and drying. You can typically adjust the water pressure and temperature to your preference using the dedicated buttons. Some models even have heated seats and automatic flushing. Don't be afraid to experiment with the settings to find what's comfortable for you. For traditional squat toilets, position yourself facing the hood or the raised end of the unit. This ensures proper alignment for waste disposal. Squat low over the basin, keeping your balance. After use, locate the flush lever or button, often on the wall or floor, and activate it to clean the bowl. Remember to flush thoroughly before leaving the stall. Regarding hygiene, it's standard practice to dispose of used toilet paper directly into the toilet bowl, not in a separate bin. Many public toilets provide special slippers for use inside the stall. Please use them and leave them for the next person. Always wash your hands thoroughly after use. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.